Hello friends, now we will study about haloalkanes and our first topic is preparation of haloalkanes. Then now start. First of all, we will see from alcohols. From alcohols, we can prepare haloalkanes. Let's see ROH plus HCl. In the presence of ZnCl2, we get RCl plus H2O. Second is ROH plus NaBr plus H2SO4. It will give RBr plus NaHSO4 plus H2O. We will not see here any mechanism, only the trick to find the product. Here is ROH plus HCl. H has plus charge and Cl has negative charge. Now, here also there is partial positive charge and here is partial negative charge. Here also partial, not positive charge, partial positive charge and partial negative charge. And we know that positive charge attract negative and negative charges attract positive. Here we get RCl and RCl as a product, and the byproduct is H2O, H plus and OH minus. This is H2O. Now we'll look the second reaction. Here is ROH plus NaBr in the presence of acid, sulfuric acid. Here also we don't look any mechanism, but we look the trick to solve it. At first, here is also partial positive charge and here is also partial negative charge. Na, we know that here is partial positive charge and there is partial negative charge. So there is formed RBr plus NaHSO4 plus H2O. And let us take the third reaction, which is our third reaction is ROH plus PX3. Here X means any halogen like Cl and Br. Here can be PCl3 or PBr3. Their ROH plus PX3 will give us 3RX plus H3PO3. Let us look the fourth reaction. Here is ROH plus PCl5. It will also give RCl plus OCl3 plus HCl. You must have remembered that in the case of PX3, here is a byproduct which name is H3PO3, and if there is PCl5, then your byproduct is POCl3. It is a trick to remember the reaction, because alcohol and any of these which have any halogen, it will give haloalkane, but with this the byproduct is POCl3 and here the byproduct is H3PO3. And let us look the fifth reaction. Look here is ROH and red phosphorus with X2, where X2 is Br2 or I2. It will give us only Rx. That means only haloalkane. Now let us read the sixth reaction, SOCl2. From this is with this SOCl2 we get the product RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. This is the reaction which give us pure RCl, because in the byproduct there is SOCl2 and HCl. SOCl2, not SO2 and HCl. It is observed, and this SO2 will SO2 is the gas, so it will vaporize, and we get only RCl. Now we will study about addition reaction, addition of halogen. Here we will study the addition of halogen in alkenes. Here CH2 double bond CH2 plus HX, where X is chloride, bromide, HX is hydrogen chloride or hydrogen bromide or hydrogen iodide. Then we will follow a rule which is called Marconico Rule. You have studied it this rule in class 11th, so apply it here. Here we have HX, HH plus charge and X is minus charge. Positive, partial positive charge and partial negative charge. But here is follow Marconico rule, and at first you have to remember that what happens in Marconico rule. Let here it has also at 2H and it has also 2H. So you can put anywhere H or X, don't matter, because Marconico rule says that which atom has more H, the H will goes that atom, and which have less H, the X atom will go there. Here is both have same H, so it doesn't matter where H is goes and X goes. Then I can write this also, or I can write this also. But if your reaction is like this, it has, here is your double bond and it has more H rather than this, so your H atom will goes there and your I atom will goes there, and you will get here I and here CH3. It is your major product, and your minor product is also CH3, CH2 and CH2I. This is your Marconico rule product, which is major product, and this is your anti-Marconico rule product, which is minor in quantity. If there is a reaction like this, here is also alkene but Br2 and in the presence of CCl4, you have to do like this. Here H and here will 1 Br and here will 1 Br. It will your major product. So remember this reagent. If you want to, let us know about Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction, if you want to prepare any iodide like Ri or a CH3I or a CH3CH2 2 1 3 and 4I, like this, then focus here Rx plus NaI, let focus here X. Here will be X can be Cl, Br. Here X can be Cl and Br. If here is RCl or RBr and you will react it with NaI, then here is positive, partial positive, and here is partial negative charge. Here is also partial positive charge and here is also negative charge, and partial positive and partial negative you will give here Ri plus NaX. This is your product. And from fluoride ion, alkyl fluoride, and that means ki CH3F or something as in this manner, and this can happen CH3 any R or any carbon chain Rx plus, here is not any I, here you will put F. That means ki any metallic fluoride like AgF or AgF or Hg2F2 or SbF3 like this, and after will react you will give here RF plus AgX. Okay, and this is the reaction which give us fluorine.